Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to download official Windows 11 ISO. So let's start. So first you have to write it, download official Windows 11 on Google, and then just click on enter. This is the first option that appears that says download Windows 11. Just click here. This will transfer to the official page of Microsoft. As you can see here, you have Windows 11 Installation Assistant, create Windows 11 Media, download disk image for 6 devices, etc. So you can download everything here, and you can start downloading completely free. As you can see, this is completely free to download, and you can download everything that you need for getting the Windows 11. So that is how you can work and how you can download the Windows 11 official. As you can see, it's the official page for Microsoft, so you don't have to worry about something else. That's important to know. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.